Brandon with Voodoo Forge. Now this is kind of like the halfway install, me finishing the railing at Granville. It is what it is. Granville to fit this railing in, and there's a sign in the way, and wouldn't you know it, I took off without a Phillips head bit. But fortunately, I had a screwdriver in the truck toolkit, so we are taking this sign down the old-fashioned way. See there, kiddos? Ah! See how you used to take screws in and out. Back before the tic-tac. And I'm doing a great job here. If y'all would remind me to put a full-size screwdriver in my truck toolkit, I would appreciate it. This is how big the screwdriver in my truck was. I'm putting this one in the truck. So these are not the screws that are going to be holding this up, but it should work fine for a dry fit. Measured off how much of my rail I'm going to need. Now let's just say I massively overestimated it. I brought my little 110 flux core machine, and I'm going to tack it so it doesn't come unwound when I cut it. And to go get a light, this is not going to be my best welding ever. Now I'm going to cut it, pray it stays together. Alright, I've got it held in position with some baling wire. And I'm going to try to tack it so I can weld it good back in my shop. Very minimal tack there. I have to do a little more than that, but I need some more light. There we go. Tell you what I didn't bring that I should have was another tip. A little butter. Let's get it from this side. Stuck up here, I need to get her stuck to her upright. Let's get in here a little better. Well, I tell you, those are some of the ugliest spot welds I've ever done, but they ought to hold this enough to get it back to the shop where I can take a more powerful machine, clean everything up, put some nice looking welds on this, and be ready to go. So just come back and bolt it in. Well, it is in. I did not video any of me welding it at the shop because it was too late. I was too tired, and everything takes 10 times longer when you're videoing. But I'll show you what we got here. It is held on at top by these 4 lag bolts. And then down here on the bottom are tapcons, which are kind of like self-tapping concrete bolts. So it's in the concrete pad and at the top, so it's good and steady, feels good, right height. Everything is right with the world. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Yeah, it works. That's a railing. It's a wrap. Hey, also, that was that, and I'm sure you could tell in the video, I was out of time and exhausted and still not completely better when I was getting that thing installed. I'm still not completely 100%, but that was a just complete edge of health and out of time job. So that's what one of those looks like. So if I was kind of rambling and not making any sense, that's why. But anyway, I hope y'all got something out of that, and y'all behave yourselves.